వెల్కమ్ టు హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఏపీ మరియు తెలంగాణలో బెస్ట్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్గా ప్రజెంట్ హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అవుతుంది. అలానే మంచి మొబైల్ యాప్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్, దీంట్లో ఫ్రీగా అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, చూసుకోండి.
Welcome to Harshit Institute. Today we are discussing about the most important events regarding our current affairs part. These topics are very very important in our examination point of view. Every day you have to follow these issues. These are very very important. Kerala government announced that Dream Kerala project. That is one kind of a project. Recently it was started in Kerala. So the project name is Dream Kerala project. Project name is Dream Kerala project. The Kerala State Government Cabinet, the 1st July 2020 has decided, yesterday only it was decided by the Kerala government. What is the project? The role of the project of the rehabilitation of non-resident Indians to returning to the state following the loss of employment due to the COVID-19 outbreak. That is the most important. Some people are, till now, so many people are working in the abroad. That means other countries. So because of the COVID-19, they are returned to their states. That time what they are doing, they are giving some employment in the Kerala state only. That is only the Dream Kerala project. The importance of the NRI remittances. The Kerala, the importance of NRI remittances is much more than any other state in the country. For the decades of remittances, for the NRS have continued to play a significant part of the economy of the state. So in our Kerala state, this is the most important. Their economy is depending upon the expatriates. Then it depends upon their abroad persons. So they are getting a lot of money from the abroad. For them, nowadays there is no employment in the outer countries. So the Kerala government is providing skilled labor or unskilled labor. For them, the Kerala government is providing some kind of employment in their state. The project name is Dream Kerala project. It is very very important. Next one, 77.95% Russians voted in favor of constitutional amendment. Putin can lead Russia until 2036. So the constitutional amendment, recently it was happened. Constitutional referendum as proposed by the President of Russia, Vladimir Putin, during his addresses to the Federal Assembly on 15th January 2020 was held from 25th June to 1st July 2020. As for the votes during the referendum, 77.9% of Russian citizens, it is very 77.9% of Russian citizens have voted in support of the amendment to the 1993 Constitution of Russia. Only 21.23% of the Russian citizens voted against the amendments. So recently it was happened about the constitutional amendment. For this constitutional amendment, positive voting are 77.95 and the negative voting is 21.23. Regarding this referendum, until 2036, the Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. So that is also a most important event. Next, Siddhartha Mukherjee and Raj Shetty honored as a 2020 great immigrants. These two persons, great immigrants. These two are the great immigrants. He is 2011 Pulitzer Prize winner Dr. Siddhartha Mukherjee. He got the Pulitzer Prize in 2011. And Harvard University economic professor Raj Shetty were listed among the 38 immigrants to be honored as the 2020 great immigrants by the Carnegie Corporation. Here, one corporation was given the awards for 38 immigrants. In these 38 immigrants, these two are selected from our India. Okay. Every year since 2006, these awards are giving from 2006 ahead of the Independence Day of the United States on 4th July. The USA governments on 4th July, they are giving these awards. These are giving the awards. The Great Immigrants Award. This year, in 2020, this award got by two persons. One is Siddhartha Mukherjee, another one is Raj Shetty. So this you have to remember these two persons. They are very, very important. Next one. Indramani Pandey, appointed India's ambassador and permanent representative to UN in Geneva. Okay, to the United Nations and other international organizations in Geneva, Switzerland, the 1990 batch Indian Foreign Service IFS officer Indramani Pandey was appointed as the next ambassador and permanent representative of India. In Ministry of External Affairs, Indramani Pandey is currently serving as the additional secretary. Next, Indramani Pandey will succeed at 1983 batch Indian Foreign Service officer Rajiv Kumar Chandar. Rajiv Kumar Chandar was appointed as to the post on 30th May 2017. So this name is very, very important. Indramani Pandey recently was appointed as a ambassador and permanent representative to the United Nations in Geneva. Next one. Accelerative Vigyan. This is one kind of a course. Department of Science and Technology, DST, Department of Science and Technology, and Science and Engineering Research Board has launched a scheme named Accelerate Vigyan on 1st July 2020. The scheme was launched with the objective to provide a single platform that will encourage high-end scientific research in the country by providing a common form for conducting workshop. That is the most important. What you know, in the whole over the world, all over in India, from all states they are selecting some people, selecting some graduates, selecting some scientists. They are selected some most important educational aspirants. They are selecting them, and they are all are in one platform only for the internships and workshops and scientific researches. This is the most important. This is the one kind of a platform. One platform. This platform is very, very important for the upcoming aspirants in science and technology. Next, RMRC Dibrugarh becomes the fourth laboratory in India to isolate COVID-19 virus strain. The Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, we know very well ICMR is located in Pune. ICMR is located in Pune. The Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, Regional Center at Assam, Dibrugarh Regional Medical Research Center, RMRC. RMRC means the Regional Medical Research Center, has successfully able to isolate the SARS-CoV-2 COVID-19 virus strain. This success will be open up avenues to conduct COVID-19 related studies, such as form the development of potential vaccine to make other uses of the culture of the SARS-CoV-2 for the development of the therapeutic antibodies testing effectiveness against desertification. So here recently they are started ICMR plus RMRC. Here ICMR means Indian Council of Medical Research, and the second institute is Regional Medical Research Center. These two are recently started in Dibrugarh. That is the greatest laboratory. This is the fourth laboratory in India. For the COVID-19 patients. Next one. Hamara Ghar, Hamara Vidyalaya. Hamara Ghar, Hamara Vidyalaya campaign in Madhya Pradesh from 6th July. To take care of the academic regulatory of the school students in the state, the School Education Department of Madhya Pradesh has prepared a digital campaign named Hamara Ghar, Hamara Vidyalaya. This meaning is my home, my school. Meaning is my home, my school, for providing a school-like environment to the students from class 1 to class 8. Why? Because they have started a recent one program in Madhya Pradesh. The program name is My Ghar, My Vidyalaya. For first class to 8th class students, the Madhya Pradesh government is providing the education through online. So this is the most important program. Recently it was started because of COVID-19. All students are suffering without education. That's why the Madhya Pradesh government has recently launched this kind of program. So these are the most important events regarding to our examination point of view. Thank you. Thank you very much.